Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a makeup brush cleaner review. We're going to have a look at this. I'm really curious whether if this does work or not. I've seen a few videos and they looked amazing. I'm just hoping that this one is just as good. So you can either buy this from Argos or you can get it from eBay. I actually purchased mine from eBay. I will leave the link down below, so you guys can go and check this out for the price that I got it for. This is also going to be a bargaining video because there is a big, massive price drop to how much I actually paid for mine to how much they are selling them in Argos. So anyway, enough blabbing now. I'm going to show you everything that you actually get in the box. So you do get your bowl. So this is your bowl. I'll just pull you back a little bit, so there we go. So yeah, this is your bowl, and it is plastic. I really would have preferred it to be glass, but I suppose in a way it is good that it is plastic, excuse me, so then it can't break as easily, so that's not bad. You can take the top off as well, so it's like a little fish bowl. It does have a rubber ring there as well, so it's nice and secure. No water can get out of there. So I'll put that on in a second. I'm just going to put that up there. Then you also get your actual machine. This is the handle. You see all that glitter in there? How freaking nice is that? Now, just so you know, this does take batteries. It is not a rechargeable. It takes 2 AAA batteries, which is, here is the compartment for your batteries. Take that out, there you go. So I've just popped them in there just to, so we're not messing around really. So that's that. On and off button is there. We also have a little light, which is there. So that's good. Then we also got the attachments, and they also come with this holder. So, you know, you can put that bit in there. Oops. Like so. So that makes it a little bit more, well, it makes it a lot more better, to be honest. It's a lot more ideal for storing and you don't lose these little bits, you know. So, the next thing I'm going to do, I think we've actually got these the wrong way around. So I'm just going to flip all of these around really quick, because we do have them the wrong way, I think. Do we? No, we don't. What am I talking about? Okay, yeah, so they're not the wrong way at all. Try and get that one off. There we go. Couldn't even get it off. Okay, so this one's going to play up. There we go. Right, and then the next thing that you got in the box was this little attachment. We are going to attach this right now to here. So the pointer bit just goes into the white hole right there. So as you can see, just put that in there. And there we go. Yep. So that's that. And then you also get a little pouch. And I think this is for the handle part. So yeah, I'll take it your little handle will go into there to keep it nice and safe so it can't get scratched up. I love that. Okay, so I'm just going to put that to one side. Then we also have the instructions. So this is pretty simple. So I don't need any instructions because I already read up on it. I know how to do it. So let's get this on the road. So I'm just going to put these to one side. I'm going to bring the bowl back down. I'm just going to actually fix this lid, oops, back on this because I did take it off to show you. There we go. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is have some water in here. Now, there is no guidelines onto where to put this water. Keep in mind I did get this one off eBay. If you get it out of Argos, it may have the guidelines of how much water you need in there. I'm not quite sure, but I got this one. So anyway, here I have water, and I'm just going to put a little bit in there. Don't want too much. You want warm water, guys, but not too hot, because you don't want to wreck your lovely bristles. I'm going to leave it there. I know there's not a lot in there, but to be quite fair, you do not need a heck of a lot. The next stage that you are going to need is your brush cleaner. Now, you can either use normal brush cleaner, or you can use the antibacterial hand wash. I'm going to do it with a hand wash, which is this one right here, antibacterial hand wash. This is the one we're going to do. And it removes all germs, and yeah, it's just really, really good. It also puts a bit of moisturiser in the brushes. So I'm just going to squirt probably 1, 2, we'll go with a third, maybe a fourth, so it's not an odd number. So that will do right there. So, I am happy with that. I might just put maybe just a tidge bit more water in there. Let's just put a little bit more, that's it. Okay, so I have got a tub that is full of dirty brushes here. If I move this out of the way, it's just full of dirty, disgusting, embarrassing brushes. I'm sorry that I had to show you that. But anyhow, I'm going to do this one first, I think. This is my blusher brush. And you can't really see it on there, but it is absolutely pink. It's not coming off as dirty on camera. Oh, there you go. It is rather grim. So, what we're going to do next is I'm just going to put this back up there. It's all jibber-jabber at the minute, but we'll get there. So now all you have to do is take your brush and choose a size that fits perfect. Now you want it quite tightish, you want it nice and snug. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to take it off there and I'm going to see if I can actually fit this sucker on there and push it right in there. Ooh, I'm sure I heard a click then. I don't know. Anyway, so that's in there, nice and snug. And that one is it's actually got numbers on to tell you what it is, and that one is a 19mm. So anyway, now I'm going to move this out of the way, bring the bowl back down. Okay, I'm going to lower you guys down there so you can see it a lot more better. So now we are going to put this attachment onto the end of here, like so. Ta-da! Woo, we have a wand, the makeup wand. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this on with my trusty little button. And let's see what happens. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to do it with the right hand. Okay, yeah, so here it is when you switch it on. Woo, damn. Alright, I'm going to see if I can get you in a better position, like there. So all I'm going to do first is I'm going to put my makeup brush in the top here and I'm just going to dab it. Now I don't want it really to get all over the place. I don't want this to get super messy because we just don't. Okay, so now we're just going to press it down softly, not too hard, just to get that water and soap in there. And then I'm going to switch this on. Okay. Oh my lord. Okay, now while it's doing that, we just gently press... Oh, sugar. We just gently press up and down in there. Don't go too wild, guys, because this is going to get messy, seriously. And you only want to do that for like 20 seconds, I suppose. There we go, getting a good go now. Okay, so to dry it, all you need to do is just raise it out there like so. You just need to raise it out of the water and just let that dry. And turn it off. Okay. And now this is what we've got. Is it dry? Oh my gosh. Wow, that's actually dry. Let's just turn it on here a little minute just to see if I can get it just that little bit extra dry. See, I still can feel just a little bit of back spray. It's only like a tiniest little bit, but I just really want to get it fully dry, if you know what I mean. Okay, let's have a look. Wow. That, guys, is amazing. Now, it might look a little bit more dirty, but to be honest, I didn't really give it a proper good go in the water. But that is completely dry. I can't believe that. Okay, so I'm now just going to take Oh God, if I can get it off. Woo! Okay, so that's that one anyway. I'm just going to give it another go later on. But that is the first brush washed. We're now going to get a smaller brush, which I'm going to take this one. And these brushes are by, let me just have a look, Real Techniques, by the way. It is on there, Real Techniques. But yeah, anyway, we're going to take this brush and I'm going to find the right size for this one. And we shall give that one a go. I best take that out of there, haven't I? Can we take it out? Okay. So these are really, really easy to, pardon me, to, you know, put them on and off there. Okay, so this is going to be the next one. I'm now going to attach this part on here. Lovely. And we get the handle and attach that. Brilliant. Okay, so I'm just going to use the same water. I know it's all bubbly there, but it should be okay. Alrighty then. So I'm just going to switch this one on and see what this looks like. Ooh, it's so cute. Okay, so first things first. Sorry about the camera, guys. I'm doing this one-handed. I am going to dip this into the water very, very lightly. I'm just going to switch it on. So it is now going. It is now getting cleaned. It's getting cleany, cleany, cleany. Cleany, cleany, cleany. All that goody, goody, cleany. Woo! Oh, I love this. This is really fun. So it is really, really fun. I'm going to have to do all of my brushes off camera, I think. I really want to take some really, really good time with this. I'm now going to turn it off. That is what the brush looks like when you take it out. So now we're going to switch this back on again. And we're going to dry it. So I found out that if you just dry it above there, I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it anyway. I've seen people like leave it halfway in, but I'm actually just going to dry it like there. And, and yeah. But like I say, this is definitely going to have to be done when I'm on my own, so I can take some really, really good time with it. Let's have a look. Just put you guys back down. There we go. So apart from the bubbles on the side right there, it is dry. Oh my gosh. I can't believe how fast that actually dries them. So it is true. If you are wondering if this is true, does it really dry your brushes that well? Yes, it does. The other thing that I just want to say, that if you don't want to use the bowl, don't feel like you have to. You don't have to. You can use them in the sink. I'm actually thinking of when I next do my brushes, which is going to be soon, because I've got to do them today now started, because I'm just like that, I'm weird. But, yeah, I'm actually going to do it in the sink. So I've got a better movement, because, well, it still is a little bit dirty. But, you know, it probably needs more cleaning stuff in there. I know it's all frothy and you're all probably screaming, don't you reckon your brushes? But I'm not. Trust me, I know how to clean my brushes, but it just needs a little bit longer and a little bit more time. So the question is, does it work? Yes. Is it a well good buy? Yes. The next thing I'm going to say, let's just talk about the bargain side of it now. So if you buy this off Amazon, last year it was £50. It's not £50 anymore. They've actually took it right down to £40. Now, I found it on eBay. Drumroll please. £10. That's right, £10, free delivery. I'm going to leave the link down below for you guys to check out, and if you buy it, please, please leave your comments down below and tell me what you think about it. Is it worth the money if you buy it from Argos? Is it worth the money buying it from eBay? Which one do you think works best if you own both? That is an excellent comment that you could leave me down below. I would love to see your reviews and videos if you have done any on this product. I would love to leave it. Leave me a link down below. I will be sure to check it out. And yeah, it gets a massive thumbs up from me for the bargain. I cannot say it enough that this is excellent. Of course, I should have washed them a little bit longer in that bowl. But, you know, I'm just showing you a bit of an example of it, you know. I'm really, really happy. The best bit is the way that they dry. I thought that was amazing. My brushes feel absolutely brilliant. They don't feel wrecked. Because when you see them, how fast they spin, you think, oh my gosh, it's going to break your bristles. No, it doesn't break your bristles. There's my bristles, and, you know, brilliant. Look at the shine on it as well. Shines so beautifully. Yeah, so I'm very, very happy with it. It gets 100% from me. I hope you like this review, guys. Like I say, drop a comment down below. Ask me any questions you want about this. Check out the link. Get it off eBay. £10 free delivery. To be honest, these days, I think Argos in the UK has put their prices Skype high. I really do. So if you see something that you like in Argos, just take a minute to have a look on eBay, because I am 100% sure that you can probably most likely find the exact same thing on eBay for less than half the price of what you're going to pay out of Argos. And that's what I did today. I mean, Argos £40, eBay a tenner. You know, I'm not going to grumble at that. I'm going to give it a go. And I did give it a go here today, guys, for you. And I'm really happy that I did, because I'm over the moon with this. Now I'm going to go. I'm going to enjoy my product, and I'm going to go and clean my brushes fully. So thank you for watching, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell button for more awesome review videos like this one. And for the bargain of the month. And this today, guys, is definitely our bargain of the month. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.